Hey guys, so now I'll demonstrate how we assemble the girl's bedroom using the template that you would get from eclations. The first thing you need to do is print and cut the design or pattern. Here I used my silhouette cameo, but you can also just print this pattern using your regular printer and cut it by hand with scissors. There. So first, let's assemble the bed. These are the parts that you will need: the base, the scalloped edge, and the headboard. So there's a perforation at the center. You'll use this to fold your headboard and glue the inside together. So I designed the headboard this way so that the print is double-sided. Get it from the front and the back. Next is we assemble the bed base. So you just need to fold along the perforated lines or cut or dotted lines. And you just need to glue the top portion of one of your legs onto the corner of the longer side of your bed, like so. I'm using double-sided tape, but you can also use glue. So again, you just stick the upper part of the leg onto the corner of the longer edge of the bed base. This actually looks like a table. And on the shorter end, you can now stick your headboard. See? It's nice that it's double-sided. I mean the template or the design. Ta-da! And next, and then you can just decorate the edge using the scalloped pattern. This is optional. I just wanted to decorate the sides of the bed with it. So just glue it onto the edges of the bed. Like so. There. And then next is you can just get the sheet. So this will serve as your bed cover or bed sheet. Just fold it. I did not put perforation anymore. And then let's assemble the bolster pillow or candy pillow or hot dog pillow, whatever you want to call it. Again, just fold along the perforated lines like so, and glue the tiny flap on one end onto the back side of the other end. When that's done, you can prop it open and close the edge. It looks like a candy candy wrapper. Set it aside and now assemble the pillow boxes. So you just need again to glue the flap onto the back side of the other end of your template. And then you prop it open and fold the sides. So this is really a pillow box. You can actually enlarge this template or pattern so you can come up with your own pillow boxes for you, and you can use as gift boxes, souvenirs, etc. See, it's just your standard pillow box. Yeah. There I have it. We now have our bed set. And then we move on to the side table. This is actually a box, so you can use this as a side table or a toy box or a utility box or whatever you want to use it for. So again, when you see the shorter flaps, you just need to put glue or adhesive there and use that to enclose the sides of the box like so. And on the top part, you can actually leave it open, or you can glue the flap permanently. So if you glue it permanently, you can just use it as a side table. But if you leave it open, so you can open and close the box, it can be used as a toy box. So you can put tiny items in there, like so. See? So for this demo, I'm not gluing the top portion anymore. And then get the squares, the printed squares, and just adhere them onto the sides of your box. So this is for added design. Again, this is optional, but it makes the box prettier, I think. There. And then lastly, you can put the tiny hearts onto the sides of your box to make it even prettier. The template will come with 6 tiny hearts, so you can put on all sides, but for this demo I did not put a heart at the bottom part of my box so that it lays flat onto the surface. You can also opt not to put the heart onto the top part or flap, so you can put additional items such as lampshade, picture frames, etc. and use it as a side table. And there you have it. We now have our bed and our side table or toy box. Ta-da! Clean and enjoy!
Hi guys, it's me again, Jack Patubo of Eclations. And today I just want to reach out and greet all of our mothers, our fur moms, our moms at heart, a happy Mother's Day. So 1 week na lang, patapos na yung ECQ natin, hopefully. I know the new normal is something that everyone will need to adjust to. And I just want to say siguro no to us and to everyone who's watching this video, continue to stay strong, be prayerful, meditate on God's Word, and use this time as an opportunity to really reaffirm your relationship with your loved ones, your family, and even your friends. We may be physically distant, but now more than ever, our hearts need to be really connected in faith and in prayer. So, I know medyo malaking adjustment. We may not have celebrated today the normal way. I am also a mom. We've had a challenge buying cake. Actually, wala kaming cake today. But it's okay kasi what's important is we know what's really important, and that's our family, our love, and of course, our faith in God. I know it has not been easy for the most of us. And even if you may be in a comfortable situation right now, I know fear and anxiety attacks. And I cannot, personally, syempre, well, I'm not in a position to promise anything, but let us be reminded that God is able. He is in control, and He has promises that we can hold on to. So, yun talaga yung panghawakan natin. Things may not be turning out, or things may not turn out the way we want them to, but at the end of the day, God is sovereign. He is in control of you, your life, and He will protect you and your family. And sabi nga, diba, even if the worst of the worst happens to us here, ang importante is we have that relationship with Him that guarantees us eternity with Him. So, yun lang guys. Ano ba? Wala na seryoso, no? Pero yun. Sorry. Actually, for the past videos I've made, I haven't shown myself, primarily because of the hairdo and because I was thinking I'd rather make more concise videos, focus on tutorial. Mostly wala na yung voice ko doon, may mga subtitles na lang. But yung isa kasing in-upload ko recently, which I deleted, my daughter kept saying na, I don't like your videos anymore, I don't hear your voice, I don't see your face. Baka siya lang yun, kasi number 1 fan ko siya, pero I've decided to show na lang din myself in this video. So, I hope you watched yung demo ko on the bed or bedroom set template that I created. It comes with a cut file. I'm actually trying to come up with other templates and designs, and I'm planning to put them up on Etsy. But for now, if you are interested to get a copy of this bedroom file that you have just seen, please message me. Let's see. We can probably work something out. Malay mo. Who knows? I might give you the template for free, diba? So yun. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Sunday. God bless. Thank you guys.